Alright. I really need to get back to work.
Want a race?
I have like 5 LiYings.
Well, I have a LiYing.
I just started inspection on my next solve.
What did you say?
I did one solve, but I think I like double tapped the spacebar, so it like started inspection on the next solve too.
Alright, I'm gonna use my Alright. Yo, dual monitors is awesome. You should set it up.
I'm too lazy to set up dual monitors. And last time I tried twice and it broke it both times.
It didn't break. Oh. So simple. They do have to be on freaking settings. Connor, you warmed up?
Yeah, I just warmed up. Those two like fail averages were a good warm up. Oh, I inserted it in the. Oh. It was still a 12, so I guess it's not too bad.
I can actually show you full monitors. So I've got my laptop and then my.
Wait, so do you like watch a video on one of them and then like solve on the other?
Yeah. Sometimes though I just drag CS timer over and then just use the space bar on my laptop. It's too.
All my counting times right now are 10s.
To my computer. Bye.
Alright, there we go. Alright. Let me turn on my video. All my counting times are 10s.
Stop. Stop.
Alright. I have a counting 12.
Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna drag CS timer over here and music on this. Hey, look. I have Rami's project on my dog. Right. Hold on.
Lucas, do you use M-Slice U-perms or do you use the RUs? RU left. That's awkward. Yeah.
I'm back for one.
I'm on my last solve. I got a PLL skip, but it was an 11. Anyways, 1075 average.